Hello, my children. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. I miss you so much, and you know that I love you so much. Are you ready to study? Good. Now, I want you to take your student's book, and I want you to sit down and pay attention. Please sit down and pay attention. Are you ready? Let's get started. Unit 8, Food. Student's book, Vocabulary, pages 73 and 74. Bananas, bananas. Grapes, grapes. Mangoes, mangoes. Strawberries, strawberries. Carrots, carrots. Rice, rice. Eggs, eggs. Beans, beans. What's your favorite food? Student's book, page 76. I'm Sam. I like pizza. It's my favorite food. I'm Kim. I like ice cream. It's my favorite food. I'm Alex. I like pasta. It's my favorite food. I'm Kelly. I like burgers. It's my favorite food. Story time. Student's book, pages 80 and 81. Hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. Hi, I'm Tom. What's your name? I'm Tim. I don't like carrots. I like beans. What's your favorite food? Ew, I don't like beans. I like pizza. I don't like pizza. I like ice cream. I like pasta, eggs, and rice. Please, don't touch the food. Kids! Sorry, sir, but they're my favorite. They're my favorite too. I like, I don't like. I like pizza. I like beans. I don't like carrots. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe. Goodbye and see you soon.